Okay guys, we're in the Star Tours lane. Let's see what we see, shall we? Hey Elise? Star Tours, right?
Yes.
Look, R2-D2.
I seem to be getting an unusual reading from the binary motivator. Perhaps we should run a systems check. Why anyone would want to race around the galaxy is quite beyond me. But I'm certain you'll have a wonderful life. I made it really quite lovely. Sort of thing.
Attention please. Galactic Security would like to remind you to keep carry-on luggage and packages with you at all times. Never accept packages from any life form or droid you are not familiar with.
Did you hear that, Otto? We must all be vigilant. Spies here? They don't look suspicious to me at all. Strange, perhaps, but you'll have to excuse Otto. Sometimes he can be a bit too vigilant. Stop being paranoid, Otto, and get back to work. They'll be needing this transport any moment. What do you mean you are doing all the work, you ungrateful little twit? I've just about had enough of you.
I have this very important job. And this restraining order. Yep, I'm not going anywhere. Anyone heading to the Hollow Test Tournament? Well, a little bit of advice. Let the Wookiee win. Hey, who here is flying for the first time? Anyone? Is this your first flight? Don't worry, there's no need to be nervous wrecks. You're gonna have a great flight. I'm sure it'll be a smooth one. Is that a dog or a man? I have no idea. It looks pretty goofy to me.
Last time my wires got wet, I short-circuited and wound up repeating myself every 20 minutes. It was a nightmare.
Head on down to gate A. Thank you. Have a good flight. Head down to gate A.
Hey.
Down by the gate.
Hey.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat.
Alright, hello, space travelers! Welcome to Star Tours! My name is Kaylee. I'll be helping you get ready for your flight today. So make sure those carry-on items go underneath your seat and behind your seat. Safest of travels, everyone. May the force be with you because I will not.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields on part 2. Where are we going? This is madness! Otto, don't you dare make the jump to life! Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. Otto, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, Otto! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your star speeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? Shields up, Otto! I wasn't programmed for this! Asteroid! Otto, get them off before they rip us apart! Let's set the controls! Pull out! Otto, pull out! Well done, Otto! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look, Otto, a platform! Let's land there! Thank the maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.
Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
Get in front of us. Not till we're done.
At least come on.
When the first time we did it, there was
What do you think? She doesn't like motion drive. That was Star Tours. Thumbs up for me.
Thumbs down for me.
He doesn't like, but R2 was there.
Woohoo! R2 is there. Woohoo! Oh.